Hi, today I want to share with you how I drew these 3 Christmas baubles. I made these 2 Christmas cards earlier on, and I had a video on how to make the pop-up tree. And at the front cover, I drew 2 bubbles with acrylic paints on black paper. The reason why I use acrylic paints is because I've practiced toe painting or decorative painting for many years, and acrylic paint is the medium that I know best. My initial plan was to draw the bubbles directly on the Christmas card, so I practiced drawing on black paper and using acrylic paint, and also I used a set of special brushes for drawing animal furs to do the stippling effects on the bubbles. As I drew them on black background, so I had to cover the paper with white paint first. So that the other colors will show up. Otherwise, everything will just look very dark. And for this one, I didn't paint another layer of light yellow on top of the white, but I painted a yellow layer on top of the white, so you can see that this one look more yellow, and the color of this one is more on the cold side. Since not everyone has acrylic paint, so I'm using this marker paper and markers and color pencils to try this one again, and the result is quite satisfactory. But unlike those 2 bubbles on the Christmas cards, I added sandpaper underneath to add texture to it. Okay, the value of the highlight is between 9 and 10 because there is still some very light yellow color here. And the darkest point is around here, and I would say it's about 6. The value is about 6, 5 to 6. So you will know how to color other colors like a red or blue, and you don't necessarily need to draw your own Christmas bubble in yellow color or in golden color. So there's a reference for you. I hope you like my sharing today. Thanks for watching. Bye.